মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি মই আলোচনা কৰিম এক্টিভিটি 24 সাবজেক্ট অর বুক ইন ইংলিশ চ্যাপ্টার নেম অ্যাডভার্ব। Fill in the blanks of the following sentences by choosing the appropriate adverbs from the box. You can use the same adverb more than once. আমাক ইয়াতে এডভাৰ্বৰ ব্যৱহাৰ দিছে আৰু এটা বাকচ দি আছে। এই বাকচৰ পৰা এডভাৰ্ববিলাক লৈ শব্দবিলাক লিখিব কৈছে। Slowly, shadily, bravely, quickly, loudly, fastly, happily, carefully, hurriedly, quickly, deeply, suddenly, completely, correctly, beautifully, actively, smartly, eagerly. এইকেইটা শব্দ বাকচত দি আছে। এই শব্দবিলাকৰ পৰা এই বাকচটোৰ পৰা শব্দবিলাক লৈ সেন্টেন্সবিলাক পূৰ কৰিব কৈছে, খালী ঠাই পূৰ কৰিব কৈছে। মই যেহেতু ৰঙা চিয়াহীৰে লিখি দিছোঁ, এতিয়া অকল দুবাৰকৈ গাই যাম। নাম্বাৰ 1, লাচিত বৰফুকন ফট ব্ৰেভলি। লাচিত বৰফুকন ফট ব্ৰেভলি। Number 2, the snail moved slowly oblique fast. Number 2, the snail moved slowly oblique fast. Number 3, he drives the car carefully. Number 3, he drives the car carefully. Number 4, the baby is playing happily. Number 4, the baby is playing happily. Number 7, please call the doctor quickly. Number 7, please call the doctor quickly. Number 8, please speak loudly. Number 8, please speak loudly. Number 9, choose your friend eagerly. Number 9, choose your friends eagerly. Number 10, she moved fast oblique hurriedly to the station. Number 10, she moved fast oblique hurriedly to the station. Number 11, the train stopped suddenly. Number 11, the train stopped suddenly. Number 12, she breathed deeply. Number 12, she breathed deeply. Number 13, she always dresses smartly. She always dresses smartly. Number 14, I am eagerly waiting for the results. I am eagerly waiting for the results. Number 15, we actively participated in the project. Number 15, we actively participated in the project. Number 16, the dog is barking loudly. Number 16, the dog is barking loudly. Number 17, she left her house quickly. Number 17, she left her house quickly. Number 18, he walked slowly. Number 18, he walked slowly. Number 19, I did the work completely. I did the work completely. Number 20, she dances beautifully. Number 20, she dances beautifully. Number 21, she wrote the answer correctly. Number 21, she wrote the answer correctly. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, যদি তোমালোকৰ মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে তেনেহ'লে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, লাইক কৰিবা, কমেণ্ট কৰিবা, লগতে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা। থেংক ইউ।